In this video, we want to solve the equation 16 to the power of x equals the square root of 16x. Are you ready to solve for x? Let's walk through it step by step. First, let's look at two common mistakes people make with this problem. Trap 1. Forgetting the domain restriction. Because 16x is under square root, x must be greater than or equal to 0. Trap number 2. Dividing both sides by x right away. If you divide by x, you accidentally cancel out and lose x equals 0 as a valid solution. Let's write out the clean mathematical steps. Step 1. Set domain. Since 16x is under the square root, we require x to be greater than or equal to 0. Step 2. Square both sides. Step 3. Divide by 16, since 16 equals 16 to the first power. Step 4. Test simple rational values. And step 5. Verify in the original equation. Pause now to carefully read over all the steps. By squaring both sides and expressing the relation as 16 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals x, we test rational exponents and find that x equals 1/4 satisfies the equation perfectly. So our unique real solution is x equals 1/4 or 0.25.